Using a VPN to connect to servers in other countries allows you to access geo-restricted content, enhance privacy, and protect your online activity. Here's how to use a VPN to connect to a different country. Choose a VPN service. Select a reputable VPN provider like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark that offers multiple servers worldwide. Check the link in the description for a promotional offer. Download and install the VPN. Visit the official website of your VPN provider. Download the VPN app for your device. Follow the installation instructions to set it up. Log into the VPN app. Open the VPN app and log in using your credentials created during sign-up. Select a country. Once logged in, you will see a list of available countries. Choose the country you want to connect to. Click Connect to establish a secure connection. Verify your location. After connecting, visit a site like whatismyipaddress.com to confirm your IP address has changed to the chosen country. Start browsing. Now you can browse websites, access streaming services, or use platforms available in the selected country while staying secure and private.